divide 794 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. So 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 4 and it is 14. So 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting we get 0. So 794 divided by 2 is 397. So this much for today and thanks for watching.